In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to make Android camera quality better. First and foremost, let's open the Chrome browser, proceed to search for Subtonic, and tap on the first website that appears. In the search box, type camera for iPhone. Choose the option labeled Camera for iPhone 13 Pro, iOS 15 Camera Effect APK, and tap on Free Download. Then select Free APK Download. And confirm by tapping OK. Next, locate the icon position in the top right corner and tap on it. From the options displayed, select Download. Choose the camera app that you have just downloaded and tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, tap on Open. Inside the app, tap on Let's Capture. You will be presented with three options, but it is important to select the HD camera option. Allow any permissions that are requested. To enhance the capturing experience further, go to the settings by tapping on the icon located in the top right corner. Within the settings, select the option for a grid display and set it to 4x4. Additionally, adjust the icon setting to 1. Ensure that the scene mode is set to action. Now, we can begin capturing photos. As you can see, the camera quality has significantly improved. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.